Hi and Assalamualaikum, I am Yusur Dalila. Today we are going to talk about this one unique plant called Rafflesia. Rafflesia is one of a parasitic flowering plant genus in the Rafflesiaceae family. The bloom of the species are massive with bud growing from the ground or directly from the lower stem of the host plant. This one species boasts as the world's largest flower. There are about 28 species in the genus, which are found in Southeast Asia, primarily in Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and the Philippines. There are no stalk, leaf, or roots on the plant, which make it unique. There are many interesting facts, like the indigenous population used Rafflesia present for therapeutic purposes to its prior discovery to the Western world. It is interesting, right? Well, in today's video, we will talk more about the structure of Rafflesia, how Rafflesia can adapt with the environment, and what is the uniqueness of Rafflesia.
Let me share with you guys about the structures of Rafflesia. In this picture here, we can clearly see that this plant only consists one single flower. It has no leaf, stems, or real roots. This plant can grow larger than 1 meter in diameter and can be weighed up to 10 kilograms. The largest Rafflesia recorded was 107 in meter diameter. It must be quite big and heavy, right? The largest species of this plant is Rafflesia arnoldii. The main parts of this plant live in their host, so we cannot see the main parts of this plant. But no worries, we can still see the flower petals. Rafflesia have 5 flower petals. The flower petals is reddish brown in color with blister like white spots. In the middle of this plant, there is a deep well with vertical spikes that pointing out. Here is where the sexual organ plays. Rafflesia can only either have male or female sexual organ.
Next, how Rafflesia can adapt with the environment. First, the Rafflesia, like all other species, need to adapt to its environment, which in this case is the rainforest of Southeast Asia. They inadvertently take away pollen as they come and go, helping the flower to reproduce. The Rafflesia flower has also adapted to have shorter stems and leaves. It is measured up to 40 inches in diameter and weighs approximately 20 pounds. Unlike most plants, this flower does not use energy from the sun to make its own food. Instead, it is a parasite. It gets all its nutrients and water from a host, a vine in the grape family. However, Rafflesia is among the most extreme types of parasites. They are unable to perform photosynthesis and appear to have completely lost their chloroplast genomes. This is an example of Rafflesia arnoldii. This species has developed that adaptation, which consists of the fly collecting the pollen from a male flower and transferring it to a female flower in order to continue the process of pollination.
There are 28 different types of Rafflesias, with 10 of them classified in the world's largest flower category. One of them the first ever one is Rafflesia cattleyi. This kind of Rafflesia produces flowers on the aerial sections of its host, giving it a unique and intriguing appearance. The second one is Rafflesia manilana. That is the genus Rafflesia's smallest species. It is breaking the record as the huge ever types of Rafflesias founded with the 20 centimeters of its diameters. Next, Rafflesia hasselti, named after its discoverer Mr. Van Hasselt, founded in National Park in Sumatra, Indonesia, has won healing capabilities. Once treated with this Rafflesia extract, healed faster than ones that's not treated with the extract.
As a conclusion, the Rafflesia flower is the prime example of how fragile some organisms and species are within the rainforest environment. It is one of the world's rarest and most endangered plants because its survival is completely dependent upon one particular vine, which is the tetrastigma. In fact, that this vine only grows in undisturbed rainforest. It is unknown how many Rafflesia will survive. However, as the rainforest is continued to be destroyed, it can be assumed that the number is declining. Thus, it's really important for us to take care of the rainforest environment to avoid Rafflesia extinction, which can disrupt the good change and therefore the ecosystem by eliminating rainforest deforestation, reduce carbon footprint, and presenting species trafficking.